12 kids in one room, a couple, a total of 12 empty rooms. Dad bought 6 bunk beds online, and the space was filled up in an instant, with no room for activities. 12 kids could do nothing but sleep, so my wife called relatives and friends to help clear the space overnight, change the idea, and renovate. A few square tubes determined the position of the 12 beds horizontally, and then asked my second aunt to borrow a few $dozen to buy 12 expansion screws to fix them firmly to the wall to prevent shaking and moving. The lower bed was supported by columns, and the upper bed was fixed on the top with room pipes. A few solid wood panels were wrapped around it, which was environmentally friendly and durable for 10,000 years. Put the soft mattress from my second aunt on it, so that the children can sleep soundly. Remember to install the wooden guardrail on the outside to prevent rolling down when sleeping. Put soft bags around the bed against the wall to make it comfortable when sleeping. 2 wooden boxes were used as steps with hidden lights inside. Put down all the literary classics that the children like and install a small ceiling fan on it for air circulation so that the air can circulate and the children can walk around on it freely, and there is a sense of ritual when sleeping every day. The left side is for the girl. Make 2 large drawers with rollers for the child. Be sure to divide them into 6 evenly. Put some of the girls' underwear on one side and some of the clothes that the girls don't wear often. In the middle, there is a movable roller clothes hanger. Several girls' frequently worn clothes and skirts can be hung down and pushed and pulled out, which is also convenient. Make 2 large drawers with rollers for the boy on the right. Remember to divide them evenly. Put some of the son's underwear on one side and some of the clothes that the son doesn't wear. Long beds. In the middle, there is a movable roller clothes hanger. Several boys' frequently worn clothes hangers can be used flexibly. 3. Borrow 100 woo from my second aunt to raise tigers. The child only sleeps with the big tiger every day. My second uncle's son is too stingy and refuses to lend the money. He can only make a row of hanging drawers on the top. Put the college entrance examination review questions casually and close the cabinet door for a tittier look. Make a desk at the bottom so that small study items can be placed on it. It is the children's desk. With a good study area, you can easily get into Tsinghua University and Peking University. There is also a super spacious activity space in the middle. Only when the bedroom is designed in this way can 12 children have their own independent rest area, study area, and storage area.